Kaluel!
All players copy their jerseys, please.
Yung first time namin kuya, itong Santos kapalit na.
Okay lang yan, sige. Ako nang bahala dyan. Thank you.
Masarap tignan, no?
Takin jerseys.
Wala pa kami.
Takin po, takin tayo ng jersey.
Hindi, si Aaron kasi...
Number 40, ng Team Elite 40s, takin jerseys.
Let's get it on. Second game between Elite 40s and the Crackers team. There is Manayo.
Ball possession ha.
To number 31, first shot is good. Number 19 gets the lead.
Wala ka nakashoot.
Guzman, Santos. Second half, number 5, 2 points. Liga. First 2 points of the ball game for number 12. 2-0. Here is number 8, Cats. Cats fakes. Shoots anyway, short. Rebound number 12. On the shot clock. Garcia. Alonso. Here's Gas. Gas to Manayo. Manayo fakes. Drives, leads up. No good. Rebound number 19. 50. 40. Garcia. Over the number 4-0. One out of the Elite 40s.
Ay, baser mo muna. Wait lang. Wait lang. Baser mo muna. Wait lang. Kanina pong sasakyan yung pick up na gray.
Pasuwi ko ang sasakyan na Hilux.
Pick up po na gray.
Toyota Hilux na gray, silver. Pasuwi ko. Dito po sa tapat ng court.
Sasakyan po ng naka-pick up po na kulay gray. Sino may-ari? Palipat na lang, palipat. Thank you.
Salamat.
Okay.
Okay na.
Reaction.
Our official score ng mga isa ang Elite 40s.
Ay, ito lang.
It is good. There's a foul on number 21.
Ba't wala yung doon? Wala yung driver.
Number 21 has his first personal foul, first team foul.
Hey, ano mo ba? Ha?
2 free throws or bonus free throw awarded to number 12, cannot complete the 3-point play.
dito yan.
Manayo. Sa gitna, Cats pulls up. Cats scores. 65. Another 8 minutes.
Baka hindi dito yan.
Manayo. Cats. Raise it up and in. 7-6. Dalawang nabol ng isa ang Calvers. Here's number 40. Bringing number 19. Garcia. 10 on the shot clock. Lead pass to Manayo. Manayo passes his way. Fakes. And there is
Buzzer
a
mo nga ulit.
foul on number 47. And Guzman, that is his first personal foul, first team foul.
Baser mo muna, baser. Kanina pong sasakyan yung kulay gray na pick up. Sino po may-ari ng sasakyan na kulay gray na pick up? Makisuyo po, palipat.
Toyota Hilux.
Wala.
Toyota Hilux.
Wala dito, wala.
Toyota Hilux DAV 7768. Toyota Hilux DAV 7768.
Wala. Wala dito, hindi sa atin. Sige na.
Dito, kasi... Ayun pala. Pagkwento yung pala. Kanina pa Hilux eh. Sir eh. Basta pre.
Wala. Sige.
Walang tuloy ako ng ano sa mga ano sa ako eh. Meron kayo ng mga mayayaman ng mga katanda eh.
Titigas ulo, no?
Oo, hindi ka tapos.
Number 28, lays up. Oh. Number 12, the points. All right, our official score after 7 minutes in the first quarter. Manayaw, over to Celestino. Celestino, green! 11-8, lamang na tatlo ang Team Panthers. Remaining in the first.
Ha?
Yeah.
Oo nga.
Laki rin eh, no?
Ang laki, no? Ang laki, no? Kaya pala malalaki sila bidal yan eh.
Short. Rebound number 5. Quickly to Garcia. Garcia, 2-on-2 break, 3-on-1.
Oo, marunong yung malakas na natin yung
Ha?
Rebound to Sarmiento.
Marunong eh, no?
Sarmiento, may sirap na rin. 2 points. 13-8, lima na ang kalamangan. Garcia, sa ilalim ng glass. Close the layup. And Guzman, second serving, wala pa rin. Rebound number 21. Here's Manayaw. Manayaw, crosses over. Manayaw, plays it up and in. 2 points. 15-8. Ito na ang kalamangan ng Panthers with 5 minutes and 44 remaining in the first. And Guzman. Manayaw. Over to Celestino. Fires another one. Short. Rebound number 40. To number 30.
Hindi makita namin.
Celestino. Pass. Shoots.
Basket.
Flaherty roll. 2 points. 17-8. Change players. Change players.
Kondisyon natin. Kulit eh, nakahirap na matawag eh. Nagtampo na tuloy yung may-ari. So, lumipat pa na kayo pumarado yun, nawala tuloy. Taking jerseys po, taking jerseys.
Akin siya.
Number 24, Green! 17-11. Under 5 minutes remaining in the first. Samara. Oba. Malakas. Rebound number 24. Number 5. Number 5. Number 6. Number 2. Obleta. Number 6. Rebound.
Jump ball.
Jump ball. Possession arrow goes to Panthers. Here's Zavala, second to play. Leading number 31. Raise up, back. Rebound. The ball. Ball is up and in. 2 points for Gold. 17-13. Abot. Alam ng Panthers.
Malakas.
Go.
Lalaki pa.
Go. Fix. 13 on the shot clock. Pass.
Ganda ng pasa.
Kapitan ko. 18.
Ayun o. Ayun o. Number 0. Kapitan.
Sa pala. Sa pala runner. Malakas. Swing on number 21. Nakuha number 24. Number 24 goes on to post.
Wow.
There's a foul.
Number 11, De La Cruz.
Number 11. That is his first personal foul.
Second.
Second team foul. 2 free throws for number 24. De Gea. Smoking Charity, missing the second, 1 out of 2 for De Gea. Here's number 2. Number 2. Sideline. Inbound. There's a foul on number
24.
24.
First.
Number 24, that is his first personal foul, second team foul.
Susunod mo kaya coach ako kasi yung may
Roll to shoot.
doon na itong
Number 31. 6 to shoot. No. Rebound number 21. Number 21. Goes to the foul.
Number 31, first.
On number 31. Number 9, sorry.
Ay, number 9.
That is his first personal foul. 13 foul.
Obar.
Obar. Bonus free throw awarded to number 21.
Hindi mabasa yung pangalan. Nakapatayo
Complete
kasi
the three-point play.
Bakit ang ganyan yung dibo?
Kaya nga. Hindi makikita eh.
Zabala. To number 9. Obar misses. 2 points.
Number 0.
For number 0. 21-19. Wala na naman. Thunder. Senior go. Way up the mark. Rebound number 9. Obar. That pass. Now back na pasa. Number 31. Number 31. Makes his way over the goal. All low.
Tapos.
Short. It's good. Number 31. 31 all. Our official count is 1 minute and 42. Zabala. Looking for Jimmy. 14 to shoot. That pass. Aga. Here's goal. 32. Number 2. Last score. Panthers ball.
Solid yung first game. Ang lalaki pati. Parang kagaya sa blue court. Mabilis yung guardia nila pero solid sila.
Rebound Zabala. Obar. 12 to shoot. Obar. 3. 24-31. Lamang ng tatlo Panthers. Under a minute. Here's goal. Selanes. Good. That's a foul. On number 11, that is his second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Bonus free throw awarded to number 5.
Ganda ng pasa. Pinadaan eh.
Parang kami pa pinakamahina.
Hindi.
This is Antonis. Number 0. Runner. Pass is good.
Alam mo may malakas kayo, Koy. Yung si ano? Yung hindi pinalaro doon.
Shot clock is turned off. Malakas ang pinag-loba.
Ganda ng pasa!
Good play. 2 points. Number 2 points for number 5.
pasa.
Is 26-25. Wala ng Panthers na isa.
Ha? Ganda ng pasa nun, oh. Westbrook.
Look, sa akin, Ray, ibang bilis kayo.
Hugot. Grabe. Ganda mo yung hugot. Grabe yung hugot ng black. Hugot. Grabe yung hugot ng black ah.
Back to the ball game. Start of the second quarter.
Balagbagan lang daw yun. Maglalaro ba daw yun? Sana?
Sa GC, sabi ko.
Kondisyon nyo kayo, makikita mo yung maglaro. Basta malalayo kay Longlo. Oo. Lumilipad yun. Tsaka lang po point guard yun. Oo, 1 to 5 yun. Naglalaro yun. 1 to 6. Okay, makikita mo. Yun yung pinalit ko kaya kay Toto. Kasi si Toto halata eh.
The play. Touchdown play. Number 28. 2 points for number 19. 27-26. Laban naman ng isa na at 3 quarters. Manaya, 22. Pick out the pass. Pass to the Daniel. 4-on-1 play. Good play. 2 points. 29-26. Warning on number 28 for delaying the game.
Romero.
Sige na. There's a foul on number 14. Number 14 only his first personal foul, first team foul. 14 on the shot clock. 14 to shoot. Number 21. Goes up, okay. Rebound number 14. Here is Manaya crossing the timeline. Manaya drives, shoots it in the middle. The big guy sa ilalim.
Nice pass. Ganda ng pasa.
Good basketball. 31-28. Ang lang inahabol ng Panthers.
Ganda ng pasa.
Garcia, 15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass gets the ball. Quickly to Manaya. Manaya, touchdown, 2 points. 31-30. Isa na lang ang inahabol ng Panthers. Garcia. Here's one. Sights at beauty to catch, fakes. Shoots. Basket is good for number 8. 34-32. Number 28, 15 to shoot. Selade, number 14. Sitsu. Same basketball. With 7 seconds on the shot clock. 7 to shoot. There is a foul on number 21.
Vidal yun. First.
That is his first personal foul.
First team foul.
First team foul.
Laki oh. Tatay yata nila Vidal yun. No? Laki oh.
This is going to be easy two. Here's Manayaw.
Manayaw, nakawala. All the way. Wala.
Blows the layup. Here's Garcia. Garcia. 3 on 3. Garcia stops the box. Performance. 36 to 32. Manayaw. 6.5 remaining. Pass. Short. Garcia. Celeste. Number 12. Felix. Block.
Pass. Manayaw. Hindi na makakita. Problema, napunta sa kanal na naman.
Ay, putik na yan. Napunta ako din. Buti na lang.
6 minutes and 8 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Sira na rin yung pindutan nila.
Saan sa blue court?
Here's Gas.
Naglaro kami kahapon, puro cellphone lang.
Cellphone?
Nakagawa. Tapos mic lang.
Ang hirang yan.
38-32. Ating mga kalaman ng Team 40. Start na natin remaining in the second.
Tawid, tawid!
Manayaw, take out.
Chelsea. 3! 38-35. Balik sa kanto, kalaman ng Team 40s.
Di ba nakalaban natin yan sa blue court?
Oo, sabi lang.
Number 12.
Bakit ba talaga sila ng win eh?
Pass. Pass. Ilalim.
Coach! What's a foul?
On number
Sarmento.
28.
Pasok. Sino, Paul?
Nakatali mo.
28? Pero first.
That is his
Ah.
first personal foul.
Pinano.
Change players. Change players. Iwan na yung shooter.
Page 5. Page 5 yung ginawa ko.
Official score is 38-37.
28 first.
28, that is his first personal foul.
Second team foul.
Iwan lang
Second team foul.
Planters, no? Ang aga pa dumating. First game pa lang, dito na yung mga yan.
Please go 3-point play. Change the player. Official score natin 38 all.
Hindi ka gaya sa Hopsters.
57.
Ang Hopsters, masyado malakas eh. Kaya pa importante.
Oga, Isabela, Isabela Show.
14-38, lamang na ng dalawa na ang Panthers. Number 21. Turnover.
Ayun ba bola sa yung kwarto ko?
Tama yan.
Wala. Number 21. Number
Kamusta?
Goal. Chale, high pass, turnover. It's number 11, De La Cruz. Drive, slow. Rebound number 5. Rebound number 21. Same basketball. With 14 to shoot.
Uy.
Number 0. Myers. Number 0, 2 points. Stepping on the line. 43-42.
2 points lang.
Goal.
Dos lang yun ah.
Goal. Leading number 21. Third 12 to shoot. Chale. Foul. Basket comes a foul.
Number 0. First.
Number 0, that is his first personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus free throw for number 5.
Ebidensya.
Cannot complete the 3-point play. Zabala. 8-second violation. Turnover. Go, single to the play. Zero, shoots. Short. He gets his miss. 3 seconds in the key. Turnover. Number 2, number 5. Number 5, passes his way. Number 11, De La Cruz. There's a blocking foul on number 21.
24.
Or 24, sorry.
Second.
That is his second personal foul, 13 foul. 20 on the shot clock for the Panthers. 20 minutes shoot.
Trip, andarin mo oras. Second quarter pa lang.
Same basketball with 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot.
Bayad ko ka.
Zapata. Short. Rebound number 1. Goal to number 5. Vanessa lays up. Blows the layup. Gets the loose ball. Number 21 to number 2. Vanessa. Hits. With the ball. Short style. Malakas. Oba. Oba. But there is a foul on number
21.
21.
First.
That is his first personal foul.
Warning.
Warning for penalty. 2 free throws awarded to number 9, Omar.
Tanga na rin, yung first game, parang kagaya sa blue court rin. Sumasok.
Will dispersed. In and out on the second, splitting the charity. Official score 45-43. Number 21. Drive. Same basketball. With 14 on the shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Nobleza kicks out. 21. Rally violation. Buck dancing with the wrong pair of shoes. That's number 21. Turnover.
Nakalangan tayo sa oras.
28 seconds remaining. 15 to shoot. De La Cruz at the post. De La Cruz on rebound number 21. 18 seconds remaining. elite 40s.
Parang mag-aalangan tayo sa oras ah. Dapat din yung oras, third quarter na nga yun. Nandiyan na si Manok.
Nasaan si Manok?
Ewan ko.
Meron daw siya eh.
Baka nagtatago.
Nagpunta ko siya sa ano. Court, wala rin naglalaro.
Sa blue court?
Siguro. Boss, picture boss.
Ay. Baka sa blue court siya. Basketball.
Back to the ball game. Start of the third quarter.
Yung oras natin, alanganin tayo. Tiranin tayo muna yan. Alanganin tayo sa oras eh.
Dito, dito.
Number 47, Aaron Cosa. Here is number 21, Sarmiento. Derecho. And there is a foul caught on number 21, or 23, sorry.
First.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws for Sarmiento.
Yan.
Good on the second, splitting the 17, making our official tally 45 to 44. Is still in favor of elite 40s. Garcia. To the smile. Short. Rebound, Vitalios. Manayo. Turnover. Too much muscle on the pass.
Ano po? Taas. Kita.
Next one. To number 28. Number 28. To number 25. 11 to shoot. Number 23 stops, pops, scores. 47-44. Ang bumuli ang kalamangan ng elite 40s. And the big guy, easy to go. Manayo gets the loose ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass. Free throw jumper. Short. Rebound in the front. Now down. Sarmiento gets the easy 2 points. 47-46. Logan. Rebound number 21.
Grabe to, condition.
Sarmiento.
Rebound niya, baba niya eh.
Lays it up. Never. But there's a foul.
25.
25.
First.
Rebound niya, baba
That
niya.
is his first personal foul, second team foul.
Rebound niya, baba niya.
2 free throws awarded to number 21, Sarmiento. Shot on the second. Official score is 47 now, under 8 minutes. Number 28, 15 to shoot. Number 28, sa corner. Sa gitna, good pass. Traveling violation. But dancing with the wrong song is number 28, turnover. But there is a foul on number 21, Sarmiento. Sarmiento, that is his first personal foul. First team foul. 19 on the shot clock. Garcia, no.
Sabi 28. Sabi. Sa kabila.
Sub.
Substitution.
Tip, andali mo.
Wala na akong pakulatang.
Garcia,
oras.
Dennis Montes. Dennis Montes. Turnover. Score is still tied at 47 apiece. 6 minutes and 40 seconds remaining.
Oh, yung oras.
Celestino, Manaya, Cas, 10 seconds to shoot. Celestino, fires. Way off the mark.
Papa. Baka masabi ka dyan. Yung papa.
De Guzman. Number 25, sa ilalim ng 12, Pakulatang, 2 points. 49-47. Bola. Laban ni Garcia. Garcia. Drives and pass. Points.
Pero, Panthers.
Timeout Panthers. Official score 51-47 in favor of Elite 40s with 5 minutes and 54 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Back to the ball game. Zavala. Delacruz. 15 to shoot. Zavala. Short. Sarmiento. Save ball with 12 seconds on the shot clock. 12 to shoot for the Panthers. Number 9. Number 11, of course. 6 to shoot. With the young position. It was one. Binigay sa ilalim. Reverse layup is good for number 12. 53-47. Alright. Waits for his teammates. 15 to shoot. Zavala. Alright. Lakas. Rebound ni Leon. Free throw jumper is good. 2 points. 53-49. Long apat. Ang Elite 40s. Garcia. Labas kay Guzman. But there's a foul on number 31, Zavala.
31 first.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul. Next one. Shoot, score. Rebound Pakulatang, 2 points. 55-49. Aali ko rin ang palamangan ng Elite 40s. Seconds on the shot clock. Makulang sa meter, 5 seconds. That's 2 points. 55-51. Lead pass ni Guzman. Guzman set back. Bigay kay Pakulatang. Number 12, fades, shoots. There is a foul on number 21,
Medalyon.
Medalyon.
Second.
That is his second personal foul, second team foul.
Sub.
Substitution.
Di, patakbo yung oras. Huwag lang yung shot na. Huwag patakbo yung oras. Huwag lang yung shot na.
Abot ako.
2 free throws awarded to number 12.
Ay, na-free throw pala yun. Baka alanganin tayo sa ano.
Iya.
Eh, pag nag-OT yun, tayo.
Second try is good. Rebound number 9. But there is a foul
Garcia.
on Garcia.
First.
That is his first personal foul, 13 foul. 18 seconds on the shot clock. 18 to shoot. Vitalion, jumper. Minao, rebound number 23. Garcia. Garcia behind the back. Over to his teammate. 2 points. Credit the assist to Garcia. 2 points on number 24. Foul on Zavala.
Second.
That is his second personal foul, 13 foul.
Sub.
Substitution. Bonus free throw for number 24. Completes the 3-point play, making our official tally 58 to 51. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the third. Manaya receives. Manaya shoots. Lead pass. Naagaw. Anticipated pass. Team Sarmiento. Sarmiento. Over to number 31. Zavala on the roll. Overgoes the shot. But there is a loose ball foul
Number
on
12.
number 12.
First.
That is his first personal foul.
Warning.
Warning for penalty.
Time out, Toy.
Tyra Elite 40s. Official score 58-51 with 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Kasama niya si JM, sa team niya. Si JM. Si JM kasama niya? Ah, putik na. Solid. All good, solid.
Sino yung kasama natin sa alas?
Ah,
Tinanggal na si Isko. Shadow pa ako.
halata yan dun. Laki pati nun. Okay sana ko.
Ito makikita.
Oo nga. Tsaka matangkad yun.
Back to the action, 14 seconds to shoot. Manaya, Salamin, Sarmiento. Sarmiento, right? Right, 21. Naagaw, Oba. Myers, Oba, 58-54. Just a 2-possession hockey. 4.37 Panthers. 2 minutes and 21. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. But there is a foul called by ref on
21.
number 21,
Second.
Sarmiento. That is his second personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 free throws awarded to number 21. Cannot convert on the first is number 21. Second no good. 0 out of 2 on that trip on the line. But there is a foul caught on
24.
number 24.
Third.
Toy.
Substitution. Number 24, that is his third
Stop.
personal foul. Penalty.
Two shots. Penalty
2
na.
shots for number 21, Sarmiento.
First throw. Pasok.
Good on the first is Sarmiento.
Yung kalaro natin sa munisipyo. Yan ang number 23. Kakampi nila ako yun.
mo pala dun eh. Ba't pinakabayad tayo sa daan? Grabe.
Libre lang.
Number 25, 12 to shoot. Number 23, fire, short, rebound to the loon. Zabala. Over to Anaya. Anaya, way up, goes to way up. Here's Meza. Stay up to break. Anticipated pass. Same basketball. With 10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot for elite 40s.
Gamit oras, gamit oras.
Tequila. Nobleza. Fake to shoot. Shot clock violation. Turnover. Zavala. Manayal. Nobleza. Nobleza. 15 to shoot. Nobleza. 10 to shoot. Sa ilalim. Bubbles sa wall. 5 to shoot. Number 24, Green! 61-54. Dito na ang kalangaman. Alipulis, Oba, Clifford-Dad, Lakas. Rebound to Zavala. But there is a foul on number 24.
24? Court na yan.
Number 24, that is his fourth personal foul penalty. 2 free throws for number 1, Zavala.
Apat na yun. Graduate ata yun ah.
No good on the second, 0-2. Manayaw pang sa basketball. Manayaw sa isa. Late volley ball, turnover. 19 seconds remaining. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Traveling one step too many for number 24, turnover. That's 3.4 seconds remaining. After the third quarter, official score 61-54 in favor of Elite 40s.
Wala pa pala kayong uniform.
Back to the ballgame, start of the fourth quarter.
Black ball.
Elite 40s basketball. Walker starting the fourth. South Garcia. 2 points for number 5. 63-54. Siya na po ang laman ng Elite 40s. Sarmiento, Celestino, 13 to shoot. 11 seconds on the shot clock. 11 to shoot. 53-56. Roll. Short. Rebound. Second. Back on to number 28. Basket is good for number 28. 65-56. Gets fouled by number 5.
First.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul. 16 seconds on the shot clock.
Time out.
Long, 15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Locked. Pass. Nakakaba, Nicole. Garcia. Garcia to Reto, 2 points. 67-56, there's your steal foul. Ola. Good defense.
Panthers.
Same basketball. Pass. 12 seconds to shoot. Hold on. But there is a foul.
Number
Number 5, that is his second
Second.
personal foul, second team foul. 14 on the shot clock. Wala. Wala sa board. Dinagal po back 2 points.
Ilang bibigyan na rin sila.
Siya ang kinahabol. Team Panthers with 6 minutes and 45 remaining. 13 on the shot clock. Garcia, 70-58. Italia, 15 seconds to shoot. There is a foul. On number
Sino?
19.
19. First.
That is his first personal foul, third team foul.
Time out. Time out. Time out. Time out. Time out. Ay. Sige.
Bawal na free throw. Free throw eh.
What of his first?
Pumasok lang.
Pag pumasok time out mo.
Tayo mataw.
Oo.
Pumasok.
Over in the second. Splitting the shot key.
Time out. Number 28. Second.
Foul on number 28. That is his second personal foul.
Third team foul.
Third team foul.
Game na.
Back to the ball game.
Ha? Oo, lalaro yan dun. Nandiyan dyan, yung green. Nandiyan ata, nandiyan dyan.
Bonus free throw ordered to number 9, Oman.
Tulo.
Cannot complete the three-point play. Here's goal with 15 seconds on the shot clock. Short. Number 11. Stops. Short. Rebound Garcia. Number 40, Garcia. Speeding up. Ano lang bola? Marayo. Gets the lead. Here is Alba. It's up within. Points. 3 possession ball game. 17-64, 5 minutes and 26 remaining in the final quarter. Take on the shot clock. Turnover violation.
Wala na kayong timeout. Pag-timeout kayo. Kaka-timeout nyo lang. Wala na. Timeout kayo?
Hindi, meron pa kayo isa. Pag gagamitin nyo, wala na.
Hindi, pag ginamit nila kayo, mawawalan sila.
Alba. There is a foul
Number 8.
on number 8.
Go. First.
That is his first personal foul,
Fourth.
warning for penalty. 2 free throws awarded to number 21, Hidalgon.
Sub daw. Sub.
Hindi bata laro dun eh, no?
Pinag mo, sub mo. Sub.
Pumasok ko ya?
Hindi pumasok. Hindi pumasok. Mamaya, bossing, pag pumasok. Yan.
Substitution. Substitution. Official score is 70-65.
Isan na lang.
4.5 minutes remaining in the final quarter. 15 on the shot clock. But there's a foul on number 21, Sarmiento.
Third.
Sarmiento, that is his third personal foul, first team foul.
Pangatlo. Ayaw mo ng third eh.
No good on his first attempt is number 12. Second throw is Jake, spotting the charity, making 1 out of 2, 71-65. 4 minutes and 17 seconds. Here's number 12. Number 12 goes blocked. Get that out of here, says number 21.
Laki nun.
21 seconds on the
Laki.
shot clock. 21 to shoot.
Kaya pala malaki sila bidal yan eh.
Number 21. 15 to shoot.
Sa ilalim, mag-isa. Close the layup.
Basket is good for Ola. Substitution. Substitution. Bonus free throw awarded to number 9, Ola.
Wala yun, continuous naman yan eh.
Completes the three-point play, making our official tally 71-68, just 3-point lead for Elite 40s, with 3 minutes and 42 seconds remaining in the final quarter. Rebound number 23, offensive board. 9 seconds to shoot. Malakas. Rebound Sarmiento. Sarmiento. De Cruz. 15 to shoot. Counters possession. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 13 to shoot. Lakas. Rebound Minayon. shoot.
Jump ball, black ball.
8-20 ball.
Balik-tali mo na yan, Toy.
Inalikad na na.
Sige.
Okay na, okay na.
Tama lang.
Oras, oras.
Tama lang.
Ano, huwag ka nag-jump ball dito ulit sa
Hindi,
kanila.
ganun lang yan. Tama lang yan. Baliktarin.
15 to shoot. Short. Sarmiento. Hola. 11 to shoot. Repass. Garcia goes up. In and out. Rebound Amaral. Amaral. Rebound. Sarmiento. Drive. Just a 1-point lead. 71-70. 71 in the 40s. We have a ball game, ladies and gentlemen. Garcia. 15 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Last 2 minutes.
Sino foul?
Foul on number 11, De La Cruz.
Third.
That is his third personal foul.
Second.
Team foul. 2 free throws, so to number 24.
Sige.
Go to first for number 24, Teguia. Wala ang pagkalam. Splitting charity. He gets his own miss. In and out. Offensive board. 12 to shoot. Number 21 drives. Hey, no. Rebound to Yo. Repass. Over. Place. Shoot. Go. Anayo gets the basketball. Anayo shoots. Anayo shoots. All 72. With a minute and a half remaining in the final quarter. Kapit ko, mga kaibigan. We are going down the wire. Number 21 shoots. Short. Air ball. Itayon. Manayaw. 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 2. Sarmiento. Yes, sir! Lakong na po ang Panthers ng dalawa. Chavez. Garcia. Number 12 fires.
Time out, Panthers.
Timeout, Team Panthers. Official score is 75-74 in favor of the 40s with 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining in the ballgame.
Both
To
teams,
be
isang
exact,
time out.
63 seconds remaining. Both teams, meron po na lamang ang isang timeout. 1 timeout each for both teams. Back to the ballgame.
Di, okay lang yan.
Wala na tayo.
Sa next game nila, meron na.
First game pa ako.
Tama yan. 14 lang, 14. 14.
Yung klaro ba hindi sa amin? Kasi di ba
Sa inyo na yan. Sa inyo yan. Oo, sa inyo yan.
Important possession. Fernandez, Ginaldo. With 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Patay.
Oba. Malakas. Garcia. Garcia steps on the break. Gives it over to the lead. Garcia with 15 seconds to shoot. Number 24, Teguia. 10 seconds to shoot. Malakas. No, rebound, over. Manayaw, oh no! 42 seconds remaining.
Hoy, stop mo ah.
Well, that's gonna go. That's a
Meron
foul
isa.
on number 21, Vidalon.
Si third.
All counted, di ba kaya?
Oo.
That is his third personal foul, 13 foul. Bonus foul awarded to number 12.
Tag-isa.
Isa lang isa. Pag sumot, time out kayo.
Pag hindi, tuloy lang.
Sige.
Number on the bonus, Vivan Sarmiento.
Penalty.
There is a foul on number 12.
Third.
Number 12, that is his third personal foul.
Warning.
Penalty.
May
Two
warning.
free throws awarded to number
Warning yan, number 12.
21, Sarmiento.
Continuous complaining. Number 12.
Number 12, warning for continuous complaining. This is the first, is Sarmiento. Under the pressure from free throws. Number 7, 78, 76. Twin Stars.
Wala. Time out.
All lang yung kaya.
Time out.
Kaya, all lang yun.
Others.
Team Panthers. Official score again all 77 with 13.2 seconds remaining. We are all tied at 77.
Or 77.
Tagal tayo sa first quarter, first game. Ano tayo, boss? Over ka. Pasensya ka. Madam, pasensya na kayo, hindi na maulit. Kasi hindi namin natin overtime.
Di namin expect eh.
Biglang nag-double overtime lahat ng laro.
Back to the ball game. Last
Shoot nyo, shoot nyo.
13.2 seconds remaining. We are all tied.
Ayun o, tapestahin na lang yun, no? Tapos paglopos. Oy! Totoy! Tumingin ka dun! Toy, tumingin ka. Yaman sila dyan.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. End of regulation. We are going into overtime. Official score is 77 apiece.
Yari tayo.
Madam, pasensya na kayo, madam.
Isang time out.
Tag-isa?
Oo.
Ang game reset natin, both teams meron tag-isang timeout.
Uy, yung team ball mo parehas tuloy-tuloy yan. Penalty tsaka... Oh, tuloy lang.
3 lang, 3 fouls, tsaka ano, penalty.
Yeah, penalty yan.
Game na, sayang yung oras natin.
Back to the ball game. Start of the overtime period.
Dapat pumesto yung medallion eh. Pwede naman sila kumuha ng penalty eh.
Just reset the platform, ready na. Violet! Violet! Violet!
Game na! Game!
Back to the action. Here is Moba to start the overtime. Villalon. 15 to shoot. Villalon. Turnover.
Yan sinasabi ko eh. Pag nag-overtime to eh. Yari tayo to eh.
Number 21. The goal. Number 23. Number 12. Number 23. Jerome Hill. What a play. Fair places to number 12. Support number 23. 79-77. Sumayaw. That's good for Sumayaw. 79 all. That's good. That shot, 2 points. 81-79. 3 minutes and 50. Remaining in overtime. Malaya shoots another one. Short. Ivan Padilla. Goal. Padilla. The goal. Chavez, 14 to shoot. That's good. For number 21. 83-79. Abang na malamangan ng E40s. Malaya, kick out. Stepping on the sideline. Still moving.
Uy, padali mo oras. Wag lang yung ano, shot lang.
15 to shoot. Degea fires. Degea! 86-79. Ito na ang palamangan ng Elite 40s. Here is Sargento. Sargento naman. Naagaw. Here's Omar. Omar, fires. Labas. Santi on the shot clock. Degea. 10 to shoot. In and out. Rebound Vinayon. Vinayon. 2-on-3 break. 2-on-4. Vinayon fires. Rebound Vinayon. Same basketball with 14 to shoot. 145 seconds remaining. Short. Leon Bell. Here's the Gia. 2 points. 88-79. First down. 26. Gives it to Bell. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Hindi na time out. Hindi na time out.
Malaya. 15 on the shot clock.
Black ball.
Same ball.
Same.
Same ball, rep.
Black ball, rep.
Same ball.
Black ball.
Same ball.
Same ball. Oh. Black ball.
Last 35 seconds with 15 seconds on the shot clock. Rebound Celestino. Monster differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Put down 2 points, so get that. 88-81. Last 15 seconds.
Sila rin kung natin doon, Boss Gawin?
Ha?
Sila rin kung natin doon sa... Kasi,
Nag-uoti pa. Ay! Balagbagin mo ah.